Forget what you think you know about forestry. The days of simple hand tools and backbreaking labor are long gone. This ain't your grandpappy's axe and handsaw operation anymore. The industry has evolved, embracing technology in ways that were once unimaginable. We're talking massive machines, cutting-edge technology, and the power to move mountains, or at least turn them into firewood. These machines can fell trees with precision and efficiency that human hands could never match. This is the world of modern forestry, and it's impressive. The scale and sophistication of the equipment used today are truly remarkable. These machines are changing the game. They are designed to handle the toughest tasks, making the process faster and more efficient. They're making forestry safer, more efficient, and more sustainable. With advanced safety features and sustainable practices, the industry is moving towards a greener future. From felling trees to processing logs, there's a machine for every job. Each piece of equipment is specialized to perform specific tasks, ensuring that every step of the process is optimized. And these machines, they're not just for the big guys anymore. Smaller, more affordable options are available for small-scale operations and individual use. DIYers and small-scale firewood producers are getting in on the action too. With the right equipment, anyone can take part in modern forestry, making it accessible to a wider audience than ever before. Let's start with a beast of a machine, the Pelato TLA 15. This is a firewood processor that means business. This machine is a one-man operation capable of felling, delimbing, and cutting logs to length, all in one smooth process. Imagine this. You drive up to a tree, grab it with the TLA 15's powerful claw, and with a few flicks of the joystick, it's down, trimmed, and cut to size. It's like watching a hot knife cut through butter, only way more impressive. And way more dangerous if you don't know what you're doing. Now, you've got a pile of logs ready to go. What's next? You need a wood splitter, and not just any wood splitter. You need something that can handle the volume that a machine like the Pelato TLA 15 can dish out. Modern wood splitters are engineering marvels. They use hydraulic power to effortlessly split logs into manageable pieces, ready for stacking and seasoning. We're talking serious force here, enough to make short work of even the toughest knots. Next up is the Ponzi Scorpion Forestry Machine. This versatile machine is like the Swiss Army knife of forestry equipment. It can handle a variety of tasks, making it a favorite for loggers and foresters alike. Need to clear brush? The Scorpion can do it. Need to move logs? The Scorpion can do that too. It's even got a grapple saw for felling and delimbing trees. This machine is all about efficiency, allowing operators to tackle multiple tasks without switching equipment. Moravsky Berberin Saw safety and precision combined. When it comes to cutting firewood, safety is paramount. That's where the Moravsky Berberin Saw shines. This innovative saw is designed to protect the operator while delivering precise cuts. The Berberin Saw uses a unique cutting system that minimizes kickback, reducing the risk of injury. It's also incredibly efficient, making quick work of even large logs. And because it's designed for precision, you'll end up with uniform pieces of firewood. Posh Smart Cut 700. Effortless cutting for the modern logger. In today's fast-paced world, efficiency and ease of use are paramount, especially in industries like logging where time and labor are critical factors. Cutting logs to length used to be backbreaking work. Traditional methods required immense physical effort and time, with workers spending long hours chopping wood with axes and saws. But not anymore thanks to machines like the Posh Smart Cut 700. This revolutionary piece of equipment has transformed the logging industry, making the process more efficient and less labor-intensive. This automatic saw takes the strain out of firewood processing, allowing operators to work smarter, not harder. With its advanced technology, the Posh Smart Cut 700 handles the heavy lifting, so you don't have to. The Smart Cut 700 is all about automation. It integrates cutting-edge technology to streamline the logging process, reducing the need for manual labor and increasing productivity. Simply feed logs into the machine and it automatically cuts them to the desired length. This user-friendly design ensures that even those with minimal training can operate it efficiently. This not only saves time and effort but also ensures consistent results. Each log is cut to precise specifications, providing uniformity that is crucial for various applications. It's a game-changer for anyone who processes large volumes of firewood. The Posh Smart Cut 700 revolutionizes the way we approach logging, making it more efficient, less strenuous, and ultimately more profitable. Whether you're a small business or a large-scale operation, this machine is designed to meet your needs and exceed your expectations. Jens's Hem 1000 DXL processing power in the woods. Once you've got your firewood cut to size, you need to get it loaded and transported. That's where the Jens's HEM 1000 DXL comes in. This heavy-duty firewood processor can handle it all. The HEM 1000 DXL can process whole trees, turning them into firewood and stacking it neatly for transport. It's a true powerhouse, capable of handling even the most demanding jobs. Imagine the efficiency of processing an entire tree without ever leaving the driver's seat. That's the power of the HEM 1000 DXL. But wait, there's more! The world of forestry machines is full of specialized equipment designed for specific tasks. Take the Ventak KC80 stump grinder, for example. This powerful machine can make quick work of even the most stubborn stumps, leaving behind a clean work site. Or consider the Lindner 95 DK shredder. This beast can handle everything from branches and brush to logs and stumps, turning them into valuable wood chips. These specialized machines showcase the incredible innovation happening in the forestry industry. And the innovation doesn't stop there. We're seeing even more advanced machines hitting the market, like the Pelato horizontal splitter and the Posh K650 Vario. These machines take automation and efficiency to the next level. The Pelato horizontal splitter is capable of splitting massive logs with ease, while the Posh K650 Vario offers unparalleled versatility for processing firewood. The future of forestry is here, and it's powered by cutting-edge machines that are changing the way we work in the woods. Safety first, protecting ourselves and our forests. Now, before you go firing up these machines and tackling your next forestry project, let's talk safety. These machines are powerful and can be dangerous if not operated correctly. Always wear appropriate safety gear, including a helmet, eye and ear protection, and cut-resistant gloves. Get proper training before operating any forestry equipment. Remember, safety should always be your top priority. DIY forestry, bringing the power home. You don't have to be a professional logger to benefit from these amazing machines. More and more, DIYers and firewood enthusiasts are incorporating automatic saws and splitters into their home setups. This allows folks to process their own firewood efficiently and safely. Imagine cutting and splitting a winter's worth of firewood in an afternoon. That's the power of these modern machines. Sustainable forestry, a partnership with nature. It's important to remember that forestry is about more than just cutting down trees. It's about managing our forests responsibly for future generations, and that's where these modern machines play a critical role. Sustainable forestry practices such as selective logging and reforestation are essential for ensuring the health of our forests. And modern forestry machines can help us achieve these goals more efficiently and with less impact on the environment. The future is green forestry machines leading the way. In the heart of our forests, a revolution is taking place. The machinery we use today is not just about cutting trees, it's about creating a sustainable future. The future of forestry is exciting. Imagine a world where every tree felled is done so with precision and care, ensuring minimal impact on the surrounding environment. This is the promise of modern forestry machines. With the continued development of advanced machines, we can look forward to even safer, more efficient, and more sustainable forestry practices. These machines are designed to handle the toughest terrains and the most challenging conditions, all while maintaining a focus on sustainability. These machines are not just tools, they're partners in our efforts to preserve and protect our planet's precious forests. They help us manage our resources wisely, ensuring that forests can continue to thrive for generations to come. So, the next time you see a load of firewood, take a moment to appreciate the incredible machines that helped get it there. These machines represent the pinnacle of engineering and innovation, working tirelessly to bring us the resources we need while safeguarding the environment. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our commitment to finding innovative solutions for a sustainable future. As we continue to develop and refine these technologies, we move closer to a world where forestry is not just about harvesting wood, but about nurturing and sustaining our natural world. The future of forestry is indeed green, and these machines are leading the way.